What's up, everybody? So today we got a new addition to the garage. Let's go and turn the camera around and show you guys what we got. So, as you guys can see here, I ended up picking up a Cub Cadet XT2 lawn tractor. Now, originally I wasn't planning on making any content on this, but I decided to put a poll up on Instagram to see if you guys would be interested, and surprisingly enough, a good majority of you guys wanted to see some tractor content. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little rundown walkthrough of it and basically explain why I got it, and we're gonna put it to the test. So first things first, why did I pick this up? Well, if you guys didn't know, about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, I ended up purchasing some land, which will eventually be the future home for Abnormal Garage. We'll have our shop space, living quarters, all that stuff. But until then, I need to find some way to take care of it. And thankfully enough, for the past couple of years, my neighbors have been taking care of it, but up until recently, they moved. So that is the main reason for purchasing this. Now, second thing is, why did I go with a lawn tractor over a zero turn? Well, originally, I really wanted a zero turn. But after doing more and more research and looking into them, the zero turn is basically only good at mowing, and it does a very good job at that. But I wanted it to do more, and because I live in Iowa, we get snow, and eventually I'm gonna have a nice, long, bigger driveway. I wanna be able to maintain and take care of it, so that's where the tractor comes in. This can have a bunch of accessories added to it to take care of snow and grass. So we can add a snow blower, a snow plow to the front of it. We can add a cover to it, so in the winter, when the snow is kicking back, it's not hitting you in the face. And then, of course, like I said, it has the mowing capabilities, and we can add other things to it, like a little trailer to it to haul things around the yard. So that is the main reason for going with a lawn tractor over a zero turn. And then third thing is, why did I go with the size that I got? So this here is a 46-inch mower. And I didn't want to buy a trailer to hook up to the back of my truck to drive back and forth to my land to have to mow it. I just wanted to be able to drive it up. So I picked up some ramps, got this mower, and it just drives straight in, and then we can take care of it from there. Now, the 46-inch being the size it is, my truck bed being a 2011 Silverado is roughly 50 inches between each wheel well, so a 46-inch fits in there perfectly. And this is the biggest size mower you can get until you bump up to a 50. And once you go up to a 50, it's obviously too big, it's hitting the wheel wells. So 46-inch is the optimal size for what I needed it. Now, let's go ahead, give you guys a quick little walk around, show you some of the variances, differences, and stuff between like some of the other models that I looked at. I had looked at like Husqvarna, John Deere, obviously Cub Cadet, and a few other things here and there, but I settled on Cub Cadet, obviously. So first thing first, we'll go and start with the appearance of it. You guys can see overall it is pretty aggressive looking for just a lawn tractor itself. I honestly really like the way it looked. That's like kind of the first thing that stood out to me compared to like the other models like the John Deere, the Husqvarna, and whatnot. And basically a lot of the reviews and stuff that I read had said that this was one of the top contenders as far as lawn tractors go. But if you guys look here at the front end, you can see they added some headlights up here, which I don't really know how necessary they are, but it has lights, so if you are kind of mowing in a darker setting, you can see at least, so that's awesome. It has this little bash bar here, so it protects the plastics, the under tray and stuff. So that's kind of a nice little feature. Just kind of walk around the side here. Seat is a nice soft leather. It comes with these armrests here. Super comfortable. Has a cubby here, drink holder here. Nothing over here other than deck adjustment, so you guys can see. Pretty basic as far as like deck adjustment goes. Just lower it and raise it. As far as appearance goes, overall it's pretty nice. Jump into the motor here. You can see here, it's a Kohler 7000 series, 23 horsepower. Pretty much every lawn tractor I looked at ran that same engine. One of the nice things is, I guess if I open this up again so you guys can see a little better, it does come with easy access to the oil filter and the drain plug. So as far as maintenance goes, it's right there. It's pretty easy to access. One of the bigger features that I noticed is the deck. So this deck here, on most of the other mowers I looked at, they were all stamped steel. This, as you guys can see here, is fabricated. So it's a lot more durable, stronger, more capable from the stamped steel. It doesn't bend as easy. So that is a nice little plus. Also has a deck washout, so we can hook up a hose to that to clean out the underside without having to get underneath there. I'd still probably get underneath there and blow it out anyway, but that is a nice little add-on. As far as everything else goes, you can see here, it's all pretty much basic stuff. Steering wheel, your speed control, all that good stuff. Brake, push it all the way in. Adjust this to set the parking brake. It's got a little hours meter there. Then we have this here, which controls the blade, so you can raise and lower it, or I guess not raise and lower it, but engage it. So that's there. And then we have different settings here when you go to run it. So obviously you turn it all the way here to start the mower. And if you leave it in the green, it just mows forward. So you move it to the yellow section here and you push this button here, you can mow forward and reverse, so the blade won't shut off, but in green it'll shut off when you go in reverse. And then as far as pedals go, you can see here, we've got, you push it forward, goes forward, you push this one down, it goes reverse. So overall, pretty basic, pretty easy to run. So with that being said, let's go and load this thing up and take it out and put it to the test. So there you guys go, all loaded up. You can see the clearance there between the wheel wells. And then on the other side, got the ramps loaded. All we gotta do now, stop, put some gas in this. It takes 91 octane, so let's go do that. All right, so we just got the mower all unloaded, got fuel in it, ready to go. I set the deck to 4, because you guys can see that this grass is, or I should say weeds, is very tall. So hopefully this mower can keep up and do a good job, but let's go and put it to the test, see how it does. So enjoy the next few minutes of time lapse. So we're back in the garage now. I just got everything put away for the most part. I still need to go through and clean it, and I need to find a place to put it because it shouldn't stay in the garage here. I need to get some little shed for it, but I gotta say, this little mower is awesome. I know it's brand new and all, but you guys saw how tall that grass was. It was very neglected and needed to be taken care of quite a long time ago, and it just ate up and spit it out like it was nothing. That whole area took me about an hour and a half to mow. Like I said, that is an acre lot, and to me, I don't think an hour and a half for that tall grass and that area is too bad, but maybe we can get a little bit faster the next time we go to do it, just because I want to stay on top of it. So we'll go out there again like once every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks just to maintain it and not let it get nearly as tall, because that was pretty bad. I'm sorry, neighbors, but yeah, this thing is awesome. I'm so glad that we ended up picking this up. I can't wait to do more stuff with it, especially when it gets to be winter time and we have a driveway poured. We'll be able to add the snowblower attachment and a little cab cover and all that stuff, and then try it out for the snowblowing experience. But yeah. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure you big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else that you guys would like to see on the mower, or if you guys would like to see more content, or if you just like the video in general. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.